Hello, I'm the annoyed developer, and this is my second devlog. Firstly, I forgot to mention that I'm calling the project ArG. It's short for Automated Resume Generator. I'm sorry about that. Back to the project. I came up with this general outline for the system. Firstly, I'll need to get job links from LinkedIn. I found this npm package for that. I dug into the code, and it essentially goes to this links to get the jobs. And I can pass parameters for any specifications, like location and job type. The problem is that it doesn't get the description, only the job links. So I had to create a new function to get the description, location, company name, and logo. Now that I have the job details, I need to get my resume data. This part was easy because I could store my resume data in a few variables and just export them. Next, I have to feed both the job data and my resume data to a LLM. But since I have no budget, I'll have to host the LLM locally on my laptop. I was planning to use LM Studio, but luckily Ollama dropped a Windows release. I'll use the Llama 3 2B model released by the Zuck and his company Meta. Next, I need to pick how the LLM will use the data. I could use either prompting or retrieval, augmented generation. Prompting means that I can just tell the LLM to act a certain way, like pretend to be an AI girlfriend. Or I can go with retrieval augmented generation, which essentially means I use another LLM, like the Nomic embed text, to convert the text to numbers. This will let the LLM read my resume and get a better understanding of the context. I'll start off with prompting because it's easier to debug, after which I use LangChain to properly format the data. Next, I'll need to generate my resume. This was the hardest part. I found this npm package. The documentation is decent, but I've never done anything like this. So it took me way longer than I expected. Lastly, I needed to make a record of where I applied and for what position. My original idea was to use an Excel file, but this might make things harder to manage later. So I decided to switch to using MongoDB because I already had it set up. Lastly, I can make a bot to log into my LinkedIn account and apply for me. But I want to have the final say, so I don't accidentally get a job I don't want. So that's my update for now. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment. Also, I left links in the description for the npm packages I used. I still don't know how to end this, so thank you for watching. Bye.